Having a faucet sprayer that just won't work when you need it can be super frustrating, but fixing it is usually easier than you think. First off, check if the hose that connects the sprayer to the faucet is properly attached. Sometimes it just comes loose, and that's why no water is coming out. If the hose looks fine, try cleaning the sprayer head because gunk and mineral buildup from hard water can block the spray holes. You can soak the sprayer head in vinegar for about 30 minutes to break down the deposits, then rinse it well. If cleaning does nothing, you might need to replace the sprayer head altogether. It's usually inexpensive and easy to swap out. Also, make sure the diverter valve inside the faucet is working right since it directs water to the sprayer. If it's stuck or broken, water won't flow. Another thing to look at is whether the water pressure feels weak, which can affect how well the sprayer works. If all else fails, sometimes replacing the entire faucet sprayer assembly saves time and hassle. Just remember to turn off your water supply before you start messing around with any parts. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a faucet sprayer not working is ignoring the hose connection. If it's kinked or loose, water won't flow properly, so always double check that first. Another common issue is not cleaning the sprayer head regularly. Mineral deposits build up fast and block water flow, but soaking it in vinegar fixes that easily. Lastly, a lot of folks overlook the diverter valve, which can get stuck or worn out over time. If you notice water stays in the main faucet and never switches to sprayer mode, replacing or fixing this valve usually does the trick. BigHomeProjects.com makes life way easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who can handle all these fixes without stress. Plus, contractors get a solid way to find real work from people who actually need their skills, keeping everyone happy and projects moving smoothly.